It's raining today. Little drops fall away from the fountains above. It's raining today. Every puddle's covered in coils. Oh, it's raining today. Whatever shall we say? Clover dipping in the mist as every droplet is kissed against the leaves of our friends. Oh, it's raining today. Every puddle's covered in coils as we go through our toils. It's raining today. It is raining today. Welcome to Jazz Comes Out My Butt with Darren Marchant at American Nomad News. Another smooth music segment. It's raining today. Wake me sway all the bleak and dreary day. I will smile while I walk a mile. Oh, what shall we say? Every puddle's covered in coils today. Bup, 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 bup. Da 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 dee 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 muscle car.
That would be a great big red muscle car, wouldn't it, Daddy? Oh, boy.
And it is raining today. Squirrels run away as I walk the lane. Oh, sing a refrain. It's raining. It's pouring. It's sprinkling and spattering and spreading out dew. You do the doodly doo 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 doo. Welcome to Jazz Comes Out My Butt with Darren Marchant from American Nomad News. We have, what does it look like? 4 minutes. And now for another smooth rendition of Nothing in Particular. Da 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 dee dee doo. Ba 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 boo. Ba doo ba doo ba boo. Ba 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 da ba doo boo 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 boo. It is raining